Silicone is a special material that many of us are familiar with, but not everyone knows its origins and uses. You might think silicone is cut from trees, but that's actually latex. Silicone, also known as silicone rubber or silica gel, doesn't occur naturally. It's not a refined product from plants, but rather a unique synthetic rubber made from silica. Silicone typically appears clear or milky white and has a microscopic structure filled with tiny nanoholes. This structure makes it an excellent absorbent material. In an environment with 60% humidity, silicone can absorb moisture equal to 50% of its own weight. That's why it's commonly used to absorb moisture in things like gas masks and desiccants found in food packaging. Chemically, silicone is very stable. It's non-toxic, odorless, and doesn't dissolve in water. It doesn't react with most chemicals except for strong acids like hydrofluoric acid. Additionally, silicone is highly resistant to extreme temperatures and aging, making it durable and long-lasting in harsh environments. Silicone is classified into two main types: organic silicone and inorganic silicone. Inorganic silicone is known for its mechanical strength and is often used in products that need to absorb moisture, like the little packets you find in food containers to keep things dry. On the other hand, organic silicone is smoother and more flexible, commonly used as padding or sealing material between mechanical parts, thanks to its corrosion resistance and insulation properties. Beyond these uses, silicone has a wide range of applications. In the food industry, it's used to make baking molds and kitchen utensils. In electronics, silicone provides anti-static protection. With modern medical advancements, silicone has also become a crucial material for making safe and durable medical devices. Do you know of any other products made from silicone? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinions about this incredible material. Your support helps us bring more content like this.